We're staying in the Demo 16 project and the schematic subfolder and drawing demo02.dwg. So we're still in the same drawing that we used for the previous video. And as you can see, it's a schematic component drawing. You can see all of the multiple wire buses and the components on the wires themselves. We're going to go to the Reports tab on the ribbon, Schematic tab here, and we're going to create a schematic report by clicking on the Reports button. You'll notice it remembers what you set up last time. So there's Component. I'm going to do Active Drawing. Schematics. I'm going to include components, cable markers, and connectors this time. I'm going to freshen the project database and leave the installation codes in there. Click on OK, and that creates my report. Now, my report at the moment is just text in this field here. So I can scroll up and down, and there's my report there. I can add things like a header, time and date, title line, project lines, and so on. Page breaks. I can squeeze it together. I can add blanks between entries as well. I can also change the report format if I want to. So I can decide on what I'm going to show in the actual report itself. So you'll see that this particular component data here, these are the fields that are going on the report. So I can remove what I don't want, such as query 1. I can remove that. Catalogue description. Let's remove that too. Catalogue, manufacturer, sub-quantity. We'll leave those in there. So you've got the tag name, the component itself, the quantity, the manufacturer, and the catalogue number. So if I OK that now, there's all the information in my report itself. Now I want to add this report to the drawing. All I've got to do is click on Put on Drawing. And what will happen is it will give me the options now for a table generation setup. So I'm inserting a new table, calculating the column widths automatically. I can pick where the sections are going to go, set up the row definition, column labels, titles, time, date, project information. I'm just going to go with the default settings for now to show you how to place a report on your drawing. It's a simple case of setting all these settings, clicking on OK, and there's my table there. Now, unfortunately, it does go over some of my wires there, but I position it in the drawing and I click. There's the report generator back again. I close that now, and there's my report there. Now you can see that's gone off the drawing slightly. It is an AutoCAD table, as you can see there, and I can very easily, if I zoom in real close, I can see the information in the table. Click on it there. I can click on this grip here, and I can move that table around the drawing as I see fit. Now it does clash with some wires there, as you can see, so I'll just hit Escape a couple of times. Double click on the wheel to zoom extents, and that's how you insert your reports into your AutoCAD electrical drawings.